What's up, guys? It is What's Short. I've been away for a really long time, but today I'm back to unbox this coin. I'm trying to make videos again. I am still doing my review of the R5. I'm recording on the R5 right now, so hopefully it looks good. But without further ado, let's unbox this. I've never had a Pete's Pirate Life coin before. I've always wanted one, but I've always missed the deadlines. This time I was able to get one. It was live for 24 hours, which was great, so they made enough coins for everyone to have. Some people were upset, some people weren't. I think it's great when everyone's able to get one of these. Look at that. That looks unbelievable. So there's some paper here. This little thing is the box. And at the very bottom, you get a little Pete's Pirate Life sticker, which is cool. So let's get all this to the side. So this is what it looks like. You unbox it like this, it goes both ways, and then you lift this up, and bam, that looks amazing. So you get a little puzzle box inside. So let's close this. If it wants to close, there you go. So this whole box, it looks absolutely incredible, to be honest. It's cool. I mean, these are $110, so I don't know how many people want to actually spend that much. I spent it. I've always wanted these coins. I missed out on the first one. I didn't know they existed until really late. So yeah, if you guys got a coin, you know, send that text. I don't understand how to open this. Give me a... Okay, so the way you open it is just like that. It's a cool little puzzle box, honestly. So you got some cool paper. You got the little leather See, if you guys can zoom in on this. If it wants to focus at any given point on this. Yeah. Good. And then we have the coin itself. It's actually pretty heavy coin. Really nice. Really nice coin here. Love it. So it goes into the leather sheets like this. It looks great, honestly. Gonna get some pretty cool pictures from this. I gotta say, the details on these is incredible. I'll probably take some pictures. I'll throw it up on here, but mostly gotta take all the good pictures on my Instagram, put it up over there. I like these little things. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it has little his Pete's Pirate Life logo on here. It's really cool. I think this has been a really fun little puzzle box. I really do like the way you're supposed to open it. I really do like the way you're supposed to open it, because if you try doing it any other way, it won't open till you move it down, and then it just slides open. It's really cool. Cool, I like that. I like the whole feel of this. To be fair, like really cool stuff to me. So I really do like this. This is really cool. Very much enjoyed this. Tiny little unboxing. Anyways, I am back. I'm going to be trying to make more videos. I'm going to be trying to do more things, and hopefully I get this R5 video out soon. Been testing it for about 4 weeks now. It's been pretty good. I've lost my Photoshop and Lightroom subscription though, so I'm going to try getting that back this week. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little unboxing. It was really interesting to me. I love this coin. I love the little puzzle box. It's not too hard to figure out. I am liking the way this was packed and made. It's fun. It's a fun little, you know, $100 coin puzzle box. But you guys, like, I know a lot of people aren't gonna like buy this even if it was still available, because it's $100 for a coin, but I thought it was fun. I think it's a cool little experience if you're able to get one. He's not making V2 versions of this anymore. These are pretty much done. This is like one of the last ones he was making. Glad I got a hold of it. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you guys want to wait and see my R5 review, you know, subscribe. That will be coming out soon. Hopefully within the next week. That way I'm able to get it done. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys next time. Later.